Hi there, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another new video. Hope all of you are doing fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. I am also over the moon by the grace of Almighty. Today I would like to talk about my daily activities, and I think that I'm talking about my daily activities day by day for my English practice, for my English speaking, for my improve English speaking skill. That's why I came to in front of the camera to make a video. So in the morning time, I went to the market at 9 a.m. with my friends for shopping for a mess. So when I went out of my room, then I shocked because winter season is going on. In this winter season, outside of the room is very cold. In inside the room and outside the room, totally different. So inside the room we wear warm clothes and we wear many things to uh, to uh, to to prevent from the cold. But outside, when I went to the outside, then my hands and my feet become freeze. So it's very difficult to walking outside because during 7 days, during 2 weeks, the sun does not shine brightly. Uh, and during 2 weeks, totally different weather. When I went to the outside of my room for with a view to shopping, then I noticed that I can't see anything from 1 kilometer distance, and I can see anything for fog around myself, and so it's very difficult to move outside. By the way, then I hired a rickshaw to go to for go to market, and um, when I mm, hired a rickshaw, then one things I I see that a rickshaw puller feel very cold. His hand is going to be freeze, and actually winter weather is is because winter weather is very difficult for the uh, working people. They're actually don't move. They actually come from outside for their livelihood, and winter weather is not enjoyable for everybody. When you see outside of the road in the railway station, you can find many people are stay outside the road. They have no enough warm clothes. They have no any residence. They are staying outside the road. They're past their day very uh, difficulties. They face sufferings. So it's very uh, difficult for them, and it is also difficult for the students because in the winter weather, we can study a long time for the cold. So as you can see, uh, today I think weather is totally different. And when I went to the market, first I went to the first I went to a grocery shop, and I asked shopkeeper to make a list for our shopping. He made a list for our shopping. After uh, completing his list, I told the shopkeeper that all the things, all the equipments, all the mm, things you just keep in on a site on of your shop, we will take them after finishing our shopping. So and then I left the place, and I'm going to the fish market, and that's very amazing. It's very crowdful. Many people are gathered here for buying fishes. lots of fish I can see here, lots of fish. uh, River, in this market, every day the fisherman brings many different fish, many big fish. uh, they're they're bring in this market, and people can easily bought from this market their needs, their daily needs. And 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 I thought that we're bought actually for our mess three types of fish. That is, um, those fish is very delicious to cook, um, and to eat. And and then and and one thing I noticed that fish price is very high. I try to reduce fish price. Uh, I I make bargaining with the um, fishermen to reduce the fish price, but it's impossible for me to reduce the fish price. They're uh, they're keep the fixed price, and they don't change the price. This is constant. So whatever, I bought three types of fishes, and after bought fish, then I told the fisherman to cut all those fishes. And my friend, I told my friend that after cutting those fish, you were returned to the grocery shop, and I went to the vegetable market for bought some vegetables. And I went to the vegetable market, and also things I noticed that there is vegetables price is very high. I try to reduce I try to reduce vegetables price, but it's impossible. They are very mm, they are very um, strictly streaky, and they don't want to reduce the vegetables price because this is winter season. In winter season, maybe they don't want to reduce vegetable price. So I bought some vegetable like as onion, cucumber, cabbage, as well as green chilies, and so on. After finished our market, we returned to this grocery shop, and I told the shopkeeper that all the things, uh, keep one keep one corner in your shop. And then I hired a rickshaw, and shopkeeper actually all the things put into one bag, and they actually um, put into a rickshaw put into the rickshaw. And then we returned our home. We actually returned our mess. After reach our mess, we called others people who are actually staying in our mess. Other people means other students. I called them. When I called, they come down from the fifth floor, the ground floor, and everybody takes some shoves in their hands, and we're come to our fifth floor. And after coming our mess, I I, I, I see that our um, khala waiting for us, waiting for the buzzer for making our lunch. So I told her that um for cooked, and then I calculate all the cost of my um, uh, elements, and I submit to the manager. So that's all. So in this way, we can practice our regular English speaking skill. This is my uh, uh, English speaking challenge day 2, because I have take 30 days English speaking challenge. In 30 days, I make videos, my daily activities, what I'm doing every day. So that's why I actually make videos. It is very helpful for me to improve my English speaking skill. Without without talking, without practicing, I can't able to improve my English speaking skill, and it is not possible. It is not possible for improve our English speaking skill. Practice is most important. Without practice, we can make fluency. So the first condition is practice. Beside practice, we have to listen English podcast, English videos, we have to watch English videos, we have to read English books, English newspapers, to improve our English speaking skill. And another things that I want to say, that is, we have to study vocabulary, which is very important for our speaking English. It helps when we're talking, when we're making new sentences. It helps very effectively. So I told one things I would like to talk about. I would like to say that um, if you want to improve your English speaking skill, then practice, practice, practice. Practice more and more with your friends, with your neighbors, with your surroundings, people um, who are actually able to speak in English. Then you can talk with them and improve your English speaking skill day by day. So no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Tata.